Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change theme in Gemini. So you can switch between light, dark or system default through the settings menu. So right here on the gemini.google.com, go here to the settings. So this gear icon at the bottom left of the sidebar, click on it and then select theme. You will see it right over there. Now choose your preferred look, so you can light, dark or system. So if we go with dark mode, we will have with light mode we will have everything white. So however you like. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next